Hello, it's Netta Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with another affordable wig video, and this bad boy's name is Brooklyn, and she was only $20.79. I got her from off of wigtypes.com, just like the last three videos. She is very similar to the last unit that I showed you guys. She is shorter and a little bit of a brighter red, so if you want to see the deets, then stay tuned. So this is the packaging that it came in, and this is Sensationnel synthetic hair empress 3-way free part lace wig, and like I said, she is the style Brooklyn, and the color is T1B burgundy. So of course I'm going to start out by cutting the lace off of the front of my wig. I won't be doing any plucking on the hairline because this is a synthetic wig, and then this is what the part looks like straight out the pack, and I'm just gonna go down the part and pull out what I feel like is necessary because my part is a little bit wider than that, and we want to make this look as realistic as possible. Now remember, this is a synthetic wig, so it is not going to be crazy realistic, but you can get it as close as possible. So now I'm taking these two concealers. I'm showing y'all up close what I do. I'm taking those two concealers out of my beauty supply store cream contour palette and mixing those together to get my perfect shade. Now I'm just going to take that brush and put that across the parting. So that's what I do. I wanted to make sure I did a close up of that because I normally do that off camera, like mix it up and y'all don't get to see it. So I'm just slapping the wig on. I'm putting it on as a middle part just like it is in the model's photo. So this is what it looks like straight out the pack, just slapped on my head real quick. I did not like it in this way. So I'm, just checking it out, making sure that I'm not tripping. Then I shifted it over to my right, and I also didn't like it that way. So I then shifted it over to my left, and I loved it right there. That was perfect for me. So my pros of this wig is that it's a pretty texture. I love the length. It's a great fit, great density, and a very pretty color, like gorgeous, gorgeous color. But my cons include that it's a bit shiny, and I don't feel like the color is a good look for me. So this is the finished look of this wig. Very, very easy to work with. The last wig that I showed you, like I said, looks similar to this, but this is not quite as long. That other wig is also a looser curl. So I do really like this wig because it's not doing too much. That other wig was really, really long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The link to this unit will be in the description box. As always, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.